Here we are in Adobe 3D Modeler. I'm going to create a chain link. And thanks to Wes McDermott for helping me out with this. Grab the little white dot to enlarge your cube. Thickness. Roundness. Hold down your Alt. Move your mouse. Left button on Windows. Grab your little dot. Elongate the square into a rectangle. Now you can play around with the roundness. You can turn it into a 3D picture frame. I want a nice chain. There we go. Thickness. Play with the thickness that you want right here. Roundness. Fillet. That's what you want. Look at it. It's a little thin. Let's open it up a little bit. It's a little thick. Bring it down. That looks good. Maybe a little bit more. This was something I thought was impossible to make. It's amazing with a little bit of creativity how easily you can design something. Alt, left mouse button to orbit. That looks good. Lock it in by pressing the apply button or the space bar. Once this is done, that shape is now locked in. I'm going to create a second shape. I'm going to hold this little red button here, or here, this little arrow. You can just bring it over. Hold down Control on Windows, and I'm going to click the outer ring, and it rotates it. Alt left mouse button, and let's take a look at it. And there we go. And that's how easy it is to make a chain link in Adobe 3D Modeler. A big thanks to Wes McDermott. And that's it.